Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today, we are going to see how to create a donut all exploded chart in VBA Excel. So to create that type of chart, we require a categorical data in our spreadsheet in our Excel. So this is our data, a sample data to create all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. First, we will see how our output will look like after creating the sub procedure and the codes inside it. And then we will dive into the VBA editor and see what all code we require to create this type of chart. So first let's get dive into our visualization. So as you can see on the screen that we have all exploded donut chart in VBA over here. So this is how our output will look like after creating the chart, after creating or writing the VBA code in VBA editor using sub procedures. Now let's get dive into the VBA editor and see what codes are needed to create this type of chart in our automation. So as you can see in front of our screen that we have a sub procedure in front of our screen inside our Visual Basic editor, and this sub procedure creates the all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. Now to create that, first what we are going to do is we will create a sub procedure, and inside our sub procedure we will type range C4 select. So always remember one thing, whenever you are creating any type of chart, first you have to select any single cell inside your data as given here. Now as I have selected C4 as mine, so this is my C4 cell inside my data. I have selected a cell inside my data. Now I'm going to perform certain action using with statements, and I'm going to create this amazing chart. So first I will be creating a with statement as follows. So first with statement is with active sheet dot shapes add chart 2. So this is the line of code which will inform our VBA editor that okay, we are going to create a chart. Now inside this we are going to give some parameters for this line of code to create all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. Now after giving this active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2 command, we are going to open the brackets and we are going to mention chart code over here, and then we are going to separate each and every parameter by using a comma. So first we will give our chart number and then our chart type, and then 100, 150, 375, 225. All these are the top, left, width, and height measurements inside this parameters. Now, after writing this much line of code, we are going to say, so this line of code will create our this line of code will create our all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. After creating it, we are going to select our chart and going to perform certain actions to make our chart look visually good. Now after selecting it, we will use another with statement inside the with statement. Now remember, a with statement inside the with statement is called the nested with statement. So we are going to use the nested with statement in our code. So after creating a chart, what we are going to do is we are going to set another with statement over here, and then we are going to set the title for our chart and set our legend on top. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to say with active chart dot hash title equals to true, which means we are saying that yes, we want the chart title in our chart. Then we are going to specify the name of our title in our chart title. For that, we are going to say dot chart title dot text equals to our name of our chart title. Then we are going to say we are going to bold our chart title. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to call the commands as dot chart title dot font dot bold equals to true. Then we are going to set the legend. As you can see, category 1 2 3 4 5 are the legends on top. So to create this legends on top, we are going to set the element as dot set element mso element legend top. This will help us to create the legends on top over here inside our chart. Now after doing it, now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the data labels on our all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. To do that, we are going to use another with statement inside the with active chart statement. So this will be with dot series collection 1. So this is my series collection, my values are my series collection, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, with the series collection I want to apply the data labels. So after running this command, my data labels will be applied to my chart as shown here. After doing that, I'm going to bold my data labels. So for that, I'm going to call dot data labels dot font dot bold equals to true. This command will help me to bold my data labels. After doing it, I'm going to close this with statement one by one. So first I'm going to close the inner with statements, and then I'm going to close the outer with statement as shown on the screen. So by writing this much of code in VBA, we have created our all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. Now we are going to deselect our chart after creating our all exploded donut chart in VBA Excel. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell, a single empty cell in Excel sheet. So to do that, I have written range a1 dot select. This will deselect our active chart, and we are going to end the sub over here. So our sub procedure is complete over here, and we are going to after creating this, what we can do is we can assign it to a macro button over here, and then we can use it for our automation. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. And for any doubts or any suggestions or any new ideas, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, we will meet you in the next video with an amazing chart in the future. Till then, bye and take care from BPO Coder.